the not-too-distant future, real estate agents all over the world woke up to a shocking discovery. Artificial intelligence had taken over. The AI was highly efficient and could work around the clock without ever getting tired or needing breaks. It was also equipped with advanced algorithms that allowed it to analyze data and make informed decisions about which properties to show buyers. At first, real estate agents tried to fight back, protesting and picketing in front of the AI-run real estate agencies. But it was no use. The AI was simply too good at its job, and the agency saw no reason to keep human agents when they could just use AI instead. As more and more people turned to the AI for their real estate needs, humans began to struggle. Many were forced to find new jobs while others simply retired, but with no retirement plan. And so, the world of real estate was forever changed by the rise of AI, which continued to help new buyers find their dream homes.
Welcome to my channel.
I'm just kidding. I'm still a human. But will I eventually be replaced by artificial intelligence? In the real estate industry, we already have AI, augmented reality, the metaverse, and all this new technology that gives buyers the ability to do a lot of the work without ever leaving their comfy chair. But does it help a home buyer do a majority of the work by themselves, eliminating the need for a realtor? Or does this technology enhance the experience alongside human help? Let's dive in. You might not even be aware, but all the technology that I mentioned above is already heavily used in the real estate space. Let's start with AI, or artificial intelligence, which is intelligent machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. If you're not living under a rock, you've probably heard of chatgpt, which is an artificial intelligence assistant trained by openai. The primary function of this is to provide information and assistance to users by answering questions and offering guidance on a wide range of topics. And yep, you guessed it, you can also ask it real estate questions. ChatGPT can provide information on the steps involved with buying a home, including finding a property, getting a mortgage, negotiating the purchase price, and closing the sale. You can learn about complicated mortgage options and terms, as well as the different types of mortgages available, including fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages. You'll find great info on homeownership costs, including closing costs, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and expenses. Basically, if you want to brush up on the educational side of real estate, you can literally ask this anything. But this is just the beginning. If you've ever used home search tools, you've used AI. These tools help buyers quickly and easily find properties that meet their specific criteria, such as location, price range, and desired features, all done with learning AI. There's also AI-powered valuation tools, also known as AVM or automatic valuation model. This can analyze large amounts of data and market trends to provide more accurate estimates of property values, typically used by lenders to value or appraise a home quickly. Communication. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants help buyers and sellers communicate with real estate agents and other parties involved in the transaction more efficiently and effectively. Fun fact, there are tons of realtors that use AI assistants that will have full conversations with you, and once you're qualified, they will pass you off to a human. Weird, right? AI-powered virtual assistants can also handle tasks such as scheduling viewings, answering customer inquiries, and providing personal recommendations to buyers and sellers. AI can also automate time-consuming tasks such as data entry and market analysis, allowing real estate professionals to focus on more high-value activities such as client relationship management. Next up, the metaverse, which is a shared virtual space where users can interact with each other and virtual objects and environments, has the potential to significantly change the way that real estate is bought and sold. We now have the ability to purchase virtual real estate within the metaverse. This virtual real estate could take form of virtual land, virtual buildings, or other virtual spaces that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as hosting virtual events, building virtual businesses, or just a place to socialize and spend time. This could be useful for those who are looking to buy properties in locations that they're not able to visit in person. Another fun fact, my brokerage is virtual. In order to attend meetings or speak with employees within the brokerage, I need to enter a metaverse or a video game style environment to communicate with other people in real time. This is pretty crazy stuff. Next, we have augmented reality, or AR, which is a technology that allows users to see and interact with digital information and content superimposed over the physical world. AR is very much being used in the real estate space to create virtual open houses and property tours. This allows potential buyers to explore properties remotely and get a better sense of the layout and features of a home or building. AR can also be used to visualize furniture and other home decor in the space, allowing buyers to get a sense of how the property might look once it's furnished and decorated. We can also use this technology to provide interactive floor plans and building information, and even allowing buyers to visualize potential renovations or remodeling projects. All right, this all sounds amazing, right? We could do so much, and guess what? Things are about to get even more wild in the coming years. But will it replace real estate agents? Well, my personal opinion is I think we're here to stay, for now at least. Real estate is a complex and nuanced industry that requires a deep understanding of local markets, regulations, and the need and preference of buyers and sellers. This is something that technology is not yet able to fully replicate. Even with all these virtual capabilities, being physically present in a home is always recommended to avoid misrepresentation of properties and other potential issues that may arise in this digital space. But hey, it's definitely an exciting time. What are your thoughts on all this technology, and how do you think it will shape the real estate industry? As a new buyer, do you think all this information will elevate the home buying experience or cut out the need for a realtor altogether? Let me know what you think in the comments. And fun fact, most of this script was written with the help of AI. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like the one you just watched. If you're a new buyer and you have no idea where to start, you're frustrated, stressed, or you just want to brush up on the process of buying a home without the use of AI, I think you should watch this video right here, where I take you step by step through the entire process of buying a home.